strength of will over others. In the face of it, you are nothing.
What did he just tell you? Toothless! Come on! What's the matter with you? No, come on, what are you doing? Knock it off! Stop! Snap out of it! Toothless, no! Toothless!
Hiccup!
No!
Son!
Dad! No!
This is Berg, son. It's our home. It was the home of your grandparents and their grandparents before them. It was my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you. Now, it's very important, son, because out there, beyond the sunset, lies the home of the dragons. Aye. Legends tell of ships that sailed too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world, never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons come.
Even night furies?
Especially night furies.
Those are scary.
Don't you worry. One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up, so that people and dragons will fight no more. Son, you should be asleep.
I was thirsty.
Come here.
Dad? Are you gonna get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift